Hello, everyone. Happy Easter, everybody. My name is Sunday. I welcome you to this GU market review ahead of the week. Happy Easter from me to you. I thank you for all your support, all your likes, and my videos that you shared, your subscription. Thank you so much for encouraging me. All right. Happy Easter once again. If you are new to this channel, please, I urge you to pause this video, just subscribe. It will not cost you anything. It's just a click. Or even if on your phone, before watching the video, just hit the subscribe button. All right. What will it require you to do? It's just for you to fill in your email address. Nobody is using your email address for anything. I don't have control over that. It's YouTube. That is YouTube requirement. So you should not be scared when after you hit the button and they ask you to fill in your email address. So it's just YouTube requirement for YouTube to know that you are the owner of that account. So you just supply the information and there you go. You have successfully subscribed to my channel. So, and apart from you subscribing to my channel, you activate, there's a bell sign, you just click it and it will be activated. So anytime I drop a new video, all right, you won't have to go in there and search for it. It will notify you. You get the notification immediately. So thank you so much. Share my video. All right, there are people out there who need information, who are also interested in trading. All right, so if you have come across my video, please share it. All right, I have a playlist. All right, that once you open, you see all the playlists. You just endeavor to watch the video so that you can get quality information from it. All right, and those information that you get from it, you don't just keep it, you act on it. All right, you act on it. That is what makes you different from others. Some people will receive information, they'll just keep it and it will die with them. No, you have to take action. All right, vision without action is nothing. All right, so GU uh, analysis is what we are going to do right now. As we all know, the first thing you need to ascertain is what? The direction of trend. I always told my team, you have to ascertain the direction of trend. It's very important. What do I mean by the direction of trend? Somebody said I should be writing all those things. No, but there is no time for those writing. Number one, first you must know direction of trend, all right? Direction of trend, all right? That direction of trend is what you first of all ascertain. How do you do that? You go to the higher time frame. In the monthly, you see where the trend is going. You scale down to the weekly, you see to really confirm what the monthly is saying. Then you now see, okay, they all agree. They are going the same direction. You see, we are uptrend. How do we know that we are uptrend? Because since rejection here, this rejection here, that rejection, anytime you see a rejection like this, it shows that there is what? Buying pressure. Something like this tells you that there's what? Buying pressure. Buying pressure, not just buying pressure, buyers are in the market. All right? Because it has been bearish, but when it got here, the buyers took over. All right? All along, when price change character here, when the trend change character here, when it change character here, change of character happens here. All right? Change of character happens here, this very point. Then the next thing you see is what? Breaking of structure to the upside. Break of structure, all right, to the upside. Another break of structure like this. Then when price now got here, you see, this is a break of structure. In trading, every information is very, very vital and important. So the last break of structure, when it now got here, this very point here, it found a resistance. All right, it found a resistance when price got here. Now, when you look at this very point, you discover that there is a resistance here. This is where the price ends. But price got up to this point, but at the end of the day, it returned and closed here. All right. This place was, it found the resistance, and then it now turned, it made a pullback to this level to retest again this level. And here, what we need to do is to mark this same level. And you can see when price pushed from here like this, it got here, it came down, it got here, it drew a pattern, a W pattern before breaking structure to the upside. When it now broke structure to the upside, it came down, retested this high, then it went up. It now came down to retest this level. You see how price flow to retest this level again. Now, before it now took off again, like this, it now starts breaking structure like this, going up. Then it now took out this high. It now created another high. All right. After this creation of this high, what now happened? You look at it here. This was the last break of structure here. Like I told you in trading, you don't joke with any information. Every little information, every move is very, very important. When it got here, what happened? All right. It gave us an evening star here. It gave us an evening star. It gave us an evening star here to reverse the trend. This is a bearish engulfing candle, all right? It's a very, this is volume. It's a volume. It pushed from here. Then price now started scaling down, all right? You see, it now started scaling down like this. We now got here again to retest this same place the second time. All right. Before price now start going up, change character, start breaking structure to the upside like this, like this, like this, like this. Then price is here now. All right. You can now see this was where he created this pattern. Then he came back to retest this level. He came again the third time to retest this level. He created a pattern here before he started breaking structure to the upside. Now, this is where he created a pattern before he started breaking structure to the upside. And right now, price is, the price came here retested this same level. It went again, retested this same level, then it's going up. Now, I will ask, as a smart trader, because this level is significant, all right? Anytime you see price coming, always coming to a level, when the price tested a level multiple times, that level will soon break. It's a tip that you guys must understand. When you see price still coming, always coming to retest a particular level, be it support level or a resistance level, mm, very soon price will come and break that level. The multiple times price action test or retest a particular level makes it weaker. All right, these are things I share with people that I train, but I'm just giving it out so that we won't be making mistake. It has retested it once, it came retested it another time. I am not saying the next time it will come, it will break, but have it in mind that in trading, when a level is tested multiple times, that level becomes weaker. Very soon, when price reverse again to come there, there's every likelihood for that level to break. So even though you now see price coming down here again, when you now see price coming to this level again, that does not mean you should just jump in and buy. You have to wait for a reaction. All right. Okay, now look at what happened. This is a volume. When it got here, it created a money star. Then there was a volume. You should know that volume, rising volume plus the rising price is what? It will give you a very healthy trend. All right, like look at it here. There was a volume from here. And look at this one, there was a volume. All right, so the speed that price will use to leave a support level or a resistance level matters, because there are some without volume, it will just do as if it wants to move, then it will now drop. That is fake. It will fake you. All right, then you have already taken your position thinking it will go, then price will now reverse and hit your stop loss. So you always watch and be patient. All right, watch and be patient before you jump into a trade. Anytime you see price coming to retest a particular level, be it support or a resistance level. Now, price has retested this place, it's been breaking structure to the upside before price now finally closed here on Friday. So what should we expect? Right now, this place is a resistance, right? It's a resistance. This is a resistance. This is a resistance. All right. This is a resistance, and this is a support that we have here. Should we just jump in because we know price is coming to this side? No. All we need to do is there's an obstacle here. All right. There's an obstacle here. This very point. There's an obstacle here that we need to be mindful of. All right, there's an obstacle here. All right, maybe when price gets to this point, if it breaks, fine. Or if it gets to this place and hold, if the resistance hold, meaning that it's going to have a pullback. All right, if the resistance hold, meaning that it's going to have a pullback. And if the pullback is coming down to this place, this support level, and let's see if this support level will hold. If this support level holds, then you see a little bit of movement. Watch a candlestick pattern here. All right, watch a candlestick pattern. Number one, it could be a pin bar rejection. All right, like I told you, a pin bar rejection is what? It's a sign that buyers are in the market. All right, once you see a pin bar rejection, it's a sign of reversal. All right, but you have to still watch, allow the pin bar to close. Then the next bar market, if the pin bar closed bullish, then the next bar market, you should see a volume. Watch that volume. There will be a swift movement. Then you can take your position and buy and go long. All right, or you see as soon as the bearish candle closed, then you will now see a doji candle. All right, a doji candle signifies indecision. All right, between the buyers and the seller. All right, that is a moment of indecision. You don't know who wants to take the lead. All right, so uh, once the indecision candle, the doji candle closed, even if it closed bearish, if it closed bearish, that does not mean that sellers will take control. We have to wait and let the other bar market, the next candle open. Once the next candle open and you see that is a bullish candle, allow that bullish candle to close. When that bullish candle closes, then you will now see another opposite candle that will come and retest that same level. Then before you see a bullish engulfing candle with volume. Once you see that, you take your position. All right. As a matter of fact, trading it's not too difficult, but it's because of our strategy and the way we chase trend. All right, once we see a bullish candle, we want to just attack. No. Or once we see a bearish candle, we want to just go low and go short. No. Let market always come to your level. Let it come to you. Once it comes to you, then you watch, not just allowing it to come to you. When it comes to your level, then you wait. It gets to that place. Let it give you 3 candles. Watch that level. Let it give you a bullish engulfing candle. That means the volume, that bullish candle has engulfed the previous candle. Once you see that and you see that there is a volume, it will push. Then once the other candle opens again, you enter quietly. All right. Now, apart from that, apart from the bullish engulfing or a bearish engulfing in terms of bearish market, then you see if there's a morning star formation. A morning star will always form at a support level. You don't look for morning star anyhow places. At a support level. Then evening star will form at the end of a bullish trend. That evening star is a sign of a bearish reversal. Then the morning star is a sign of what? Bullish reversal. Once you see those 3 candles, a bearish candle with a doji candle, then you now see a bullish candle with volume. That is what? A morning star candle. Then it signifies a bullish reversal. So guys, at this point, we are going to wait for this guy to either break this level, then let it come back and retest this place, or even if he move and get to this point, let's watch and see what will happen. Once he gives us pattern, then we can now take position. So thank you so much, guys. Don't always rush into trade. Be very patient. Patient is the key to trading. Thank you so much.